Manifestation coaches will tell you to act as if, to visualize the version of yourself that already has what you want somewhere in the future. But that version of you isn't actually in the future. And that version of you doesn't just think or act differently than you do right now. That version of you lives inside deliberate patterns, designed routines, structured behaviors, recursive systems that enable that future pattern to be possible now. If you don't build those patterns now, the future won't hold. This is where AI comes in as the tool, not to visualize, but to design, to reflect that identity back to you, pattern by pattern, until the loop becomes your reality. Step 1, you have to get specific about what you really want. Not vague themes, real outcomes. I want a Porsche GT3 RS with a raw welt body kit. I want to speak on stage at TEDx. I want global travel, an 8-figure business. Step 2, define the version of you that already lives that life. You can use ChatGPT to do this. Tell it what you want and then ask it to search the web for people who already have those things. It will tell you how they go about their day-to-day, their routines, their habits, their lives, and identify what about what you're doing now no longer fits. What would those people do with what you have in front of you? Step 3, build the actual infrastructure that keeps that version of you anchored now. Use AI to your advantage for this with daily routines, weekly rhythms, habits that enforce who you're becoming, changes to your environment, the way you speak. Let it make the most outlandish recommendations and figure out, with AI as your strategist, how to fit them into who you are right now. Use ChatGPT to structure your loop, to architect your behavior. That's what recursion is. Design, live, reinforce, evolve. When AI becomes a part of that loop as a naturally recursive technology, the system starts to shift a lot faster.